The loved one of an Akron family lost during this pandemic did not die from coronavirus. Family members say he died because of it. They tell News 5 the healthcare system's extreme focus on treating coronavirus patients may be to blame.
Had the corona not been here, I think they would have put him right into the hospital, done the tests, and had this done in a matter of a week instead of 5 weeks, and he was dead.
News 5's Tanisha Cordell shares what led to that grief.
I found myself in a barn, a 1957 Dodge Coronet, and we were going to restore it here this year, but...
Losing a loved one is never easy.
When I saw him with his Norton Commando, I just thought he was the coolest guy ever. I had to have him, yeah.
But it's something the Shanks never saw coming.
They just kind of missed it. It just wasn't clear.
Married for 33 years, Marion Shank says her husband, Charles, was healthy, but that quickly changed.
By March, he had lost 25 pounds, not trying to, and he was feeling very weird, and he was having waves of what looked like a seizure-y type thing.
Charles's primary care doctor, who did not want to speak on camera, tells News 5 Charles's symptoms were not normal. Marion says they agreed to an EEG and CT scan, but she says the coronavirus pandemic delayed their test results, which showed a cyst on Charles's brain. Their doctor recommended Charles see a neurologist. Because of state orders putting off non-essential surgeries and emergency room visits, Marion says they were forced to see a neurologist virtually.
And the doctors were saying this wasn't going to kill him. I just figured I'd go along with whatever we were told to do.
After seeking second opinions, more tests were ordered, but time ran out. Charles died on April 27th at home, yet the cause still unknown.
It was one thing for him to have to pass away, but it was another thing for them to never be willing to even answer as to what it was that killed him.
We reached out to the hospitals involved in Charles's care. One of them sent a statement saying, in part, "We take any patient safety complaints seriously and work with public health authorities to investigate and ensure all appropriate steps are taken to care for our patients." In the meantime, the Shanks hope no one else experiences what they have.
There's 5 hospitals in the city of Akron. Pick a hospital that has to deal with the corona and run the other hospitals like they normally would have run. And that way, this wouldn't have happened.
Tanisha Cordell, News 5.